In the next point, after saying to the get the data from the table or views, okay, get the A point table structure MARM, okay, get the required EN European article number from the MARM table, and based on the EN number get the product and the description of the details of the product. Okay, then after so this is the very small requirement. We may have the different requirements based on the different business requirements. Okay, this is the way to write the basic functional specifications. So here we have the functional, okay, specifications. So in the next point, we tell in the document we describe, like for an example, 9th point. Okay, then go to standard table /structure /SCWM /handling unit header HDR. This is the table or structure for handling unit header. Okay, number A, add one custom field, okay, for an example YSSCC in the table or in the same view structure. So the person will add one custom field in the table, okay, or in the structure. Then number 10, then enhance the standard function module. Here we put the name. Here I am going to put /SCWM /EAN European article number 128 decode. So this is a function module is responsible to translate the digits we have on the barcodes into the system. This function module translates the barcode details. So this is the function module. Okay, so enhance the standard function. So he will do the enhancements here. Okay, then 11, after enhancements, okay, go to put here after enhancements, check the captured barcodes details, okay, into the table. Okay, into the table I will put one more point /SCWM /EAN European article number 128. Okay, before that we can give one more point to the person. Here I will put enhance the table, the standard table /SCWM /EAN 128 with I will put here with required barcodes decoding details into the standard table or structure. Always we should put structure, then they will check. Okay, it would be the table, but depends. Okay, so we put the table name here or structure SCWM / EAN 128. Okay, then last point here I put test / check the corresponding barcode details into the table, which is same table. Okay, so this is the basic way to write the function specification. Okay, and share to the team. They will do the enhancements based on the business requirement. Thank you very much, guys. See you again. See you next.